Have you ever eaten in restaurant and earned tokens? With new project on Magic Eden, it will be possible. Solana NFTs are developing no matter what. But have they chance to survive on this market? What is Plato Eats, Foodies? Plato Eats is community of foodies assembled to help local restaurants by eating and earning via our Plato Eats app. Their app is like Yelp plus Foursquare with tokens and NFT that gamifies and enhances the eater dining experience where eater earns our DINE token. The DINE token funding source behind Plato Eats is their own marketing platform to help mom-and-pop restaurants to spend targeted ad dollars that directly rewards verified eaters. In short time, they have thousands of foodie users and partnered with numerous restaurants including Bored and Hungry restaurant brand with greater than $100,000 in committed marketing budget. What utilities Plato Eats offering for holders? All holders will be getting early access to eat and earn via Plato Eats app. Batches of new users will be grant access. All holders will be airdropped NFT utility tables to enable Eat and Earn, which can be sold in Plato Eats in-app marketplace. Eat and earn our DINE tokens anywhere in the world. If the restaurant is on Google Map, it will be in Plato Eats app. All holders will have a chance to participate in PLTO token airdrop event, right before public beta. Enter weekly chance to get free dinner, paid by Plato. Redeem DINE tokens to Love tokens for Love ecosystem perks and spend on Love marketplace. Collection with 8,888 stylish eaters will cost like 1.21.5 SOL, not yet finalized. Public mint date planning on November 18, 2022 on Magic Eden Launchpad. Wallet submission is already opened in Discord. If you are OG or OG with status of Elite Workmanship or OG with status of X2 Elite Workmanship, you can head to the presale info channel as the presale link is there with pricing and allocation. For reservation list, there will be a discounted price for you to mint to show our appreciation. And those was not able to grab a presale info, you will also be able to mint at discounted price. Team collaborated with a lot of big DAOs, such as OK Bears, The Gods, Utes, Blocksmith, means strong communities already joined project. Also Plato Eats have a big partnerships with Defi District, Bored and Hungry restaurant brand. Art partnerships with the most quality Solana projects BDD Cats, Satiki, Just Worms. And as the main achievement we should name one grant from Amazon and Google. Risk, how to get enough restaurants on Plato platform to enable Eat and Earn. Team still didn't know this answer, with enough partnerships and recognizability way will be easier, but who knows how many time it will take. Mitigation, short answer is yes, we are funded so we can still carry out our roadmap items. However, it might take us longer to get to public beta. Most, if not all holders will be invited and get access to Plato Eats app to start Eat and Earn. Migration for eaters to Eat and Earn, eaters can eat at any restaurant that they can find on Google Maps. We source our restaurant point of interests from Google Map API. 60% liquidity pool for DINE/USDC. 30% product development for our Eat to Earn. 10% content marketing. Dante and Rob are co-founders of Plato and they met back in 2003 while working as software engineers at an investment bank. Since then, Dante and Rob have co-founded 3 companies together, Plato is the third. Their socials links you can check below. Robert Cow, founder, CEO plus head of product, aka General. Rob is a serial entrepreneur with mobile development background. Grew up around his uncle Chinese restaurant so Rob knows how critical marketing can make or break a restaurant. Plato is the first time where Rob's passion for food and mobile come together with the mission to help local restaurants everywhere to thrive. Dante Saragumba, co-founder, CTO, aka head chef. Dante is a hardcore software developer at heart who has been a hands-on CTO, VP of engineering at different organizations, from investment banks to one of the big tech firms. Dante has been Rob's co-founder for 3 different startups, Plato being the third. Dante used to co-own an ice supply business and was part of the restaurant supply chain. Like Rob, Plato is the first time where tech and food come together for Dante. With Dante leading the kitchen staff below, the chance of taking Plato to the moon. As we can see, these guys had big experience and enough knowledge in Web3, but the main thing on Solana is community. Let us check what we have here. Plato's Twitter with 5k followers and 230 tweets is full of various official announcements and AMA sessions with really big projects, such as Magic DAO, Monkey DAO etc. I can say that they have a lot of likes and retweets, but it is an unusual thing in any solid official Twitter. They didn't make giveaways and paid promotions too, devs choose organic way to grow. Plato's Discord is open for public and have like 3k members, sneak peeks collected, not a lot reactions, in general chat is really quiet, but currently they are running Eat and Earn contest, which is very interesting. DYOR. In my opinion, Plato S is very new and promising project. Strong back team with mutual plans looks really bullish. I will wait until minting and then we'll decide to mint or not. Remember, always DYOR, this video is non-financial advice.